This tutorial shows you how to turn off pointer acceleration for more consistent and precise mouse movement. First, click on the Start menu and click on Settings. After that, click on Bluetooth and Devices from the left side menu. Let me show you. From there, click on Mouse to open the mouse settings. At this point, click on Additional Mouse Settings under Related Settings. In the next step, click on the Pointer Options tab in the window that opens. Following this, uncheck the box labeled Enhance Pointer Precision. Once done, click on Apply and then click on OK to save the changes. From here, move your mouse around to test that the pointer now moves at a consistent speed regardless of how fast you move it. Keep in mind, disabling this option may feel different at first if you're used to acceleration, so it can take a moment to adjust. Finally, come back to this same menu anytime you want to turn Enhance Pointer Precision back on. And that's it. If this guide helped you disable mouse acceleration in Windows 11, give it a like, subscribe for more Windows tutorials, and tap the bell icon for updates. See you in the next one.